Are you in the market for a fantastic used car, but want to keep your budget under $10,000? Well, you've come to the right place. Today in Fiodio Technocars, we'll pick the best option for used cars. We've got a roundup of the best choices that offer reliability, safety, and value. First up, we have the Honda Fit. Starting price $6,700 for 2010-2011 model, up to maximum $9,550 for 2013 model. This compact car is known for its impressive fuel efficiency and surprisingly spacious interior. The Fit makes an excellent choice for city dwellers or anyone needing a reliable commuter car. It offers electronic stability control, and some models even come with advanced safety systems. Next on our list is the Mazda 3 2013. Price range start from $6,450 until maximum $10,000. This small sedan delivers a fun driving experience, with responsive handling and a comfortable ride. In addition to its performance, the Mazda 3 also scores high in reliability and safety. It's a car that doesn't compromise on anything. Then, we have the Toyota Corolla price range start from $6,800, $7,525 for 2010, and $8,850, $9,800 for 2013 edition. A stalwart in the compact car category, the Corolla is renowned for its durability and longevity. It's not uncommon to see these cars run well past the 200,000-mile mark. With a reputation like that, the Corolla is a safe bet for anyone on a budget. Moving on to mid-size sedans, we have the Honda Accord 2012 with price range $8,550, $10,000. This car has a reputation for being a reliable workhorse. It offers a smooth, comfortable ride, and its roomy interior makes it a great choice for families or anyone who needs a bit more space. Next, we step into the luxury category with 2011 Lexus ES with price range in $9,650. Don't let the luxury tag fool you though. This car is as reliable as they come and offers a plush, quiet ride. It's a luxury car without the luxury car price tag. Lastly, we have the Toyota Avalon 2010 for $8,000 and maximum $10,000 for Avalon 2011. This large sedan offers a spacious, comfortable interior and a smooth, quiet ride. It's a great choice for those who need a bit more room or anyone who appreciates a car with a bit of gravitas. 6 fantastic options for used cars under $10,000. From the compact Honda Fit to the spacious Toyota Avalon, these cars offer reliability, safety, and value. Remember, it's always a good idea to have a mechanic inspect the vehicle before purchasing. But with these choices, you're off to a great start. In summary, when shopping for a used car under $10,000, consider the Honda Fit for its fuel efficiency and spacious interior, the Mazda 3 for its fun driving experience, the reliable Toyota Corolla, the roomy Honda Accord, the luxury Lexus ES, and the spacious Toyota Avalon. Each of these cars offers a great combination of reliability, safety, and value. Happy car hunting! Don't forget to like and subscribe.